This dome has no steel inside it. No rebar, no modern cement. It was poured 1900 years ago and never rebuilt. The Pantheon is still the largest unreinforced concrete dome on Earth. In 2,000 years of engineering, nobody has beaten it. The Romans graded it as they built. Heavy basalt at the base, feather-light pumice at the crown, so it could never crush itself. Meanwhile, the concrete in your city is already dying. Most modern structures are designed to survive barely 100 years. Our concrete hides an enemy inside it, the steel skeleton. Water seeps in, the steel rusts, and rust swells, splitting the stone from within. Roads crumble. Bridges get condemned. Engineers actually call it concrete cancer, and there is no cure once it starts. Roman seawalls have no steel at all. They sit in salt water, pounded by waves for 2 millennia, and they are getting stronger. Stronger. The same seawater that devours our harbors is quietly improving theirs. By every modern rule, that is impossible. The recipe begins with volcanic ash from the slopes of Vesuvius, mixed with lime and packed straight into the waves. Seawater filters through, dissolves the ash, and grows entirely new crystals inside the rock, a mineral called aluminous tobermorite. The stone keeps mineralizing for centuries, threading fresh crystal through its own cracks. The structure quietly repairs itself. But wait, there is more. For decades, we dismissed the Romans as sloppy mixers because their concrete is speckled with little white lumps of lime. Textbooks called those lumps a mistake. They are a repair kit. Crack the concrete, let water in, and they dissolve and reseal the gap within weeks. Here is the strange part. We have decoded the recipe. We can mix it today. We simply cannot build with it. It cures too slowly and is far too weak to carry a skyscraper. Rome built for eternity because it built low, thick, and patient. We build fast, tall, and disposable, and our cement alone pours 8% of humanity's carbon into the sky. The Roman secret was never really the volcanic ash. It was building as though the future would actually arrive.